Greetings, hello, bonjour, and afternoon, wherever you are watching this video. It is now almost Memorial Day weekend, which this Monday will be 2 weeks from this Monday coming up, the last Monday of the month of May, Memorial Weekend. And as a grandson and son of a veteran who is in the Air Force and Army, there's going to be a lot of deals going on for Memorial Day. And trust and believe, one of them is Golden Corral, and I go there a lot. They're going to do a lot of specials in different places for Memorial Day. If you want to know, you can check this out for yourself. Besides that, this video is going to be different, and you know what, I'm just going to just plain out just be honest. I'm talking about the two former friends of mine, count them two. I'm not going to say the names, I'm just going to show what they look like. And it begins with a J, ends with an L. Another one starts with a C and ends with a vowel. Not A, not E, not O, not U, not Y. Even though on Wheel of Fortune, they don't use Y as a vowel. But to me, Y is a vowel. To make the long story short, I was friends with Janel and Cari long time ago, and I mean really long time ago. And now we're no longer friends, going on how many years since the last time I saw him. And I'll make the long story short on this one. I was a former roommate to Carrie, and I told my best friend about this when I was in Portsmouth, Virginia. And here is the real reason why I don't talk to her no more, and I'm no former roommates with her. She literally one day when I was working at my former job at Rose's in Portsmouth, Virginia, went to my bedroom, which by law in the state of Virginia, going in someone's bedroom is a violation of privacy, but also trashing their property is also a misdemeanor, class 1, which can be imprisonment through almost up to a year and a fine that's almost whopping a lot of money. I should know because I, for one, dealt with the court systems in Spotsylvania, Fredericksburg, and Virginia Beach a long time ago. Don't ask me why, and just as long as I pay my dues, and this is the past, it's a past. Other than that, She trashed my old Dell laptop computer, and I seriously was let's just say I was pissed the F off because I refused to trash some things that she didn't like that I still like and play and enjoy and watch today. Think I'm kidding? Why don't you look at this for yourself?
Fight. Finish him. Sub-Zero shows you finish him. Sub-Zero wins. Animality.
I just love women! My record proves that. I've been in love about 9 times now. And it's been real every time, folks. Every time it was gonna last forever! Remember, you fucking bitches! Forever! I buy it every time, I gotta tell you. I buy it every fucking time. I do, man. Love comes to my life and goes, come on! Come on! Come on, this is love! This is love! Come on! Oh, come on! I'm not like the others. No, this is new love. Come on, trust me, trust me. I wouldn't lie to you 10 times in a row, fuckhead. Come on! Come on, open the door. Let's see what she's like. I thought it was the door to love. It was the door to hell!
All right, big bucks. I need a girl trip to Greece. Big bucks, big money, and stop.
Top answers on the board. What are you?
How does Steve Harvey have another job?
Look at these folks, they're overjoyed. And if you're watching right now, it is clear that you're unemployed. It's 10 a.m. and now you won't be bored, because now you will enjoy living on some things that you can't afford. You have your job, neither do they. Oh, what a wonderful place for you all to meet every day. The price is right. It is a kind of show. We don't ask questions that only smart, motivated working people know. Ooh, and our host is Drew Carey. Some people say he is no Bob Barker, but he is still okay. And he doesn't weigh what he used to weigh, so come on down. Don't wear a frown. Hey, even though you're pathetic, we'll turn the frown upside down. At least you're not part of the jackass crowd. Dressing in colorful matching stupid t-shirts, jumping around, hacking the big thoughts.
Growing up can be tough.
Aim a sign, but a little kid being in a fight.
Black eye.
Scratches. Fat lip.
You gotta watch your back.
I'm so nervous I'm biting my nails.
So don't let your guard down.
I've been punched right in the kisser.
And you'll come out on top.
To get it, they have to assume the position.
It's another lesson in the School of Hard Laughs. All this week on Family Feud.
Weekday mornings at 10 on TV 55.
I know you, though. You're in my gym class, right?
That don't mean you know me.
Quit it, Nikki.
Quit what? I ain't walking on eggshells just because you brought the Brady Bunch to the Negro Club.
Maybe you came to the wrong spot, because I'm pretty sure there aren't any Negroes here.
I'm pretty sure you came with one.
Oh, No, Wench, you did not just call me a Negro.
Y'all just chill, okay?
Why don't you tell her to chill? She's the one that's always got something to say.
I could say a lot more. You keep talking, Nikki, I will lay all your shit bare.
Dang. Why you gotta burn her like that, Chenille?
I can't stand her ass in the way she played my brother.
From Universal Pictures, the ultimate contest has begun. It's Ryu versus Vega, Honda versus Zangief, Ken versus Sagat, and Guile versus Bison. It's a fight to the finish in the streets of the world.
You'll have to do better than that, kid.
Jean-Claude Van Damme, Raul Julia, Street Fighter, rated PG-13.
Most people don't even understand how insanely difficult it is to attempt a triple axel. There's a reason why nobody was trying it.
You skate backward, and then take off from a forward position on your left leg, and then somehow...
fucking hurl yourself blindly 3.5 rotations like you're light as shit, which I'm telling you Tanya never was.
land on the opposite foot on the back outside edge of a razor-thin blade.
It's that extra half rotation when you already did 3 that made us call Tanya the Charles Barkley of figure skating. It was badass.
The dark forces are closing in. The world must be saved. No problem. Mortal Kombat Annihilation, rated PG-13.
I still play Mortal Kombat 3 today. I even have an Xbox, a regular one. And Mortal Kombat 3 turned 30 this year, including the movie. I still watch Family Feud, the classic episodes of Family Feud. Not the new one, because I'm sick of the tired. I'm so fed up of watching the current Family Feuds with the sexual innuendo questions, and my best friend will vouch me on this one. Used to watch a lot of talk shows back then and hearing all the drama, and as you can see from where that stores is, that's a bunch of DVDs and movies on Blu-ray that I have. Some I had to keep, and some that she didn't like because most of them were PG-13, R-rated, NC-17, and do I really need to say the next rated one? We were all born naked. We were born called a birthday suit, and yeah, I've seen some of them. But she trashed my laptop because I refused to trash some of those things. It's still my property, and it really pissed me the F off. Out of retaliation, even asked for the password of this banged up little thing I use sometimes, a touch screen one. I banged it up because the one kept on messing up. Asked me for my password for this, which you ain't supposed to be asking for nobody's password on their computer. That's a definite violation of their privacy. No effing way you should be asking somebody's password on their laptop, phones, and devices. That is definitely a oh hell to the no. Thankfully I got that back, and I got kicked out of the house for it. But out of retaliation, I trashed some of her shit too. Now, I would have went to jail because I dressed some of her clothing out of retaliation, but she better be lucky that I didn't press charges because that laptop I got from eBay cost me damn near $155. In the state of Virginia, that's anything above $200 is grand larceny. Low than $200 is petty larceny. Just because I wouldn't want to trust some of my things that she didn't like for somebody who went to who went to church every damn Sunday, praying in tongues.